Hi, it's me again with Corel Raw Tips and Tricks, and this is another part. I thought it'd be better with this. This has a white fill, and you can see it's transparent behind the white fill. So if you would select this item and go up to Find and Replace, which is under Edit, Properties, Edit Query. It is a uniform fill, so double click before you do that. Kind of move this out of the way so you can see your object. Double click on the text. I've already got the white, but just go to your eyedropper tool and fill in that white, and then hit OK, and then hit Find All. It's going to take just a second because it's so much of it. I mean, there's so much white involved. And you can do two things. You could hit delete, and then when it finds them all, it's going to delete them all. Or you can undo and then move the white over. And you just have to look at it. You know, maybe run it like that, because this is going to engrave some different textures and stuff, and all the yellow will not engrave. And if you don't like that, you could always select this and make it a gray and just play around with it and then bring it back into the picture. Might not be enough definition between the two, but you could always back up and make it a lighter gray and then put it back. And, you know, it might look more realistic, but I really think this might, once you do the roofs like we showed yesterday, so the roof will, I guess I don't have any roofs left. But if you didn't watch that video, we produced a roof line by doing something like this and then going intersect. And then we have that roof line in the intersection. And let's go over to our main house, put it pretty close. And then, of course, I don't have the other one removed like I did in that video. Let's just, well, here it is right here. So this is what the new roof is going to look like. In the first video, we showed how to, or I showed how to remove that roof and put a new roof. The major complaint of this young lady was that the roof was so dark, it was just burning away. And this is what it kind of looks like, but it just kind of it's too dark. So with this new roof, it's going to look like this here. And you could still play around with that color and maybe even separate these things, and you know, you could make that a little lighter, and you could run just the roof. You know, always think about that. You could take the roof to the top left corner of your laser and just run that little bitty 2-inch by a little bit more than a 1/2-inch strip just to see what it looks like on the laser before you run this whole house. Anyway, I hope that helped just a little bit.